Hey, welcome back to ModelMagix. Today I'm going to go over a UGC, how to create user-generated content. For sure, guys, when you do that, you need to explicitly say that is AI-generated content. Don't try to fake or whatsoever. I mean, that's not cool. And there's going to be like some probably rules coming in. So make sure always to disclose that you're using AI AGC. By the way, people don't give a bip about it, if it's real or not. I think it's just cool, but just be careful. Okay, so how did I generated that? So let's listen it before.
Merci François pour ta crème intensive. Je l'adore. Je l'adore. C'est une favorite.
This is in French, actually, and this is a very simple workflow that you can create very fast. The idea here was to create a UGC for a 50 years old woman that would handle a pot of cream, and she would have like a very simple words to say as a testimonials. So first thing first, I always like to go to Midjourney. Midjourney is still the best in terms of creating realistic images. I haven't found anything else that comes close to it. And for sure, when you upscale them, you can get even better quality. But on that test, I want to like to do something very simple. Like you see the flow, very easy to use. So I went to Midjourney. I've created a prompt. You can use like a prompt cowboy to help you to get the system prompt, and then create a GPT or just, use it first and tell him what to do. And then it's going to come up with a very cool and nice prompt to use in Midjourney. Then after, it's going to generate a couple of images. Like you can see, I took this one. I just like did a screen, a capture screen to get this. Didn't download that. I was just making a test. But even like if you do a capture screen and you bring that in, you can use upscalers like Mystic, and a bunch of others like if I go here, Magnific, like precision and whatsoever. There's a lot of options to upscale. Then after, I went to another website, took the image. This was the image crème éclaircissante intensive from François Lambert, took that. Then went it back here, used that little node here to remove the background automatically, plug that into Nano Banana, and with this little prompt, just replace the pot of cream, and it did it very well without like, tweaking or anything like that. Then here in the prompt, turned that into a JSON. I had to do a couple of tests because it didn't came out like very good, especially was like some dribbish in the words, but basically I was able like to fix that. Again, you can do the same thing for a prompt for VO3. You get into prompt cowboy, you tell them what you want to do, they're going to create a system prompt, and from that system prompt you can use that. Now there's other way of doing prompts like that. I have found that you can go here to LLM, run any LLM, and you could do that here. So you can put here another prompt actually where you put the system prompt inside, then you put the prompt here and you run that model, and then you bring that here inside. So that will be another way of doing this, you see. So there's a lot of options. This is very simple. I think this is one probably of the most basic I've done, but works like pretty good. So hope you enjoyed that again. I'm going to post more and follow. Make sure you follow.